Welcome to my channel Sara Art and Design. Subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for the further videos notification. Hey guys, welcome to my channel Sara Art and Design. Today's my topic is how we can attach the sleeves to our kurti or our top in a very perfect or simple way. So here I have already cut my sleeves and already joined my kurti's shoulder and fitted seam. I have already done that. So it's my basic sleeves. If you want this tutorial, then I will share this link in the description box. So here I have already cut my sleeve. I hadn't stitched yet, so we have to do is, this is our shirt, and from this shoulder seam we have to measure our shoulder width. We have to measure this point. It is approximately 7 inches. We will add 2 point extra in it and mark it over here. 2 point, we have to add 2 points because there is a little bit curve and it always extended. So now we have to mark our fitted point over basic sleeves. So here measurement is 4.5. we have to mark over here and match these 2 points and make a straight line. After marking this, here is our center point. We have to mark it, or you can notch it over here. Now we have to give a stitch. So our marking point is completed. Now we are going to stitch our sleeve. From the bottom part we are going to stitch it till the end on our marked line. We have to lock our stitch over here. So after stitching, it would be look like this. Now we have to turn the face of our sleeve. We have to turn it to the right side of the fabric. Now here is our sleeve. In the center we have to notch it out. After notching this, we will take our shirt's wrong side and our sleeves right side. Our bigger portion will be attached in the back side and a shorter portion will be attached in the front side. So now we will put the sleeve inside our shoulder. Now we are going to match our stitching lines. Firstly, we have to match our stitching lines over here. Now we have to fold it, our extra fabric to inside. Just give a little bit fold of the shirt fabric and sleeves fabric. It will give a super finish if you will do that, otherwise it will little bit stretch over here. So after folding this, we will match the fabric and give a stitch. In a stitching, we will give only 1/4 inch margin, not more than that. You have to be mind out that we will give only 1/4 inch, and each and every time your margin will be same. folded the fabric, stitch it over here. Just equal the sleeve and shirts portion and make a stitch. No need to stretch sleeves part and shoulders part. So little by little we have to stitch. If you are a beginner, then you can pin it up first and then you can make a stitch on it. Just match our points and make a stitch. On a shoulder side where we have already done our stitch, you can attach the shoulder loop for the stitch button right now if you want. So it's about to done, and you see that there is no extra fabric over here. Both sleeve part and shoulder part are equal. You have to make the double stitch over here so that it would be perfectly attached. So our sleeve stitching is completed. It would be look like this, and so you can see that our lines are matched over here and sleeves fitting is perfect. There is no lumps over here. So here is our front side. It would be look like this. After ironing it, it would be look very nice. It's very nicely done and there is no time consuming if you would do like this. So here is a little bit second part. Second option is you can take your sleeves part and you can take your shoulders part and match the front side of the both and just give a little bit stretch where your shirt stitching line you will mark on a sleeve side and then match your bottoms part to the upper part. Make a straight line and repeat the process of stitching. So guys, this is the stitching part of my sleeve. It's very simple, very easy and elegant. If you do this, you will not find out any difficulty to done that. If you have any queries, then you can ask me in the comment section. So if you like my video, then please give me a big thumbs up or subscribe my channel and share my videos to your friends, family members. Thank you so much for watching my videos.